So our initial conditions were y sub 0 equals 2 and y prime of 0 equals negative 1. Okay, so if we plug in, or sorry, evaluate this at 0, what does that tell us? Well, can we make any, yeah, if I just plug 0 in for all the x's, pretty much everything cancels out except that first term. So that tells me that c sub 0 has to be 2. All right, and then I need an expression in terms of the derivative. So if I essentially take the derivative inside each of those parentheses, what are we going to see is happening? So we get derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1/2 times 2 to the first power, so that's minus x. Plus 3 over 6, so 1/2 x squared, plus 1/2 x cubed, plus dot dot dot. And then inside the other one, that's 1 plus 2x minus 2x squared minus x cubed plus dot dot dot. Okay, and so if I evaluate that at 0, what do we get? We get that C1, sorry, C1 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so let's put those two facts together. So we got y is equal to 2, 1 minus 1/2 x squared plus 1/6 x cubed plus 1/8 x to the 4th plus dot 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 minus x plus x squared minus 2/3 x cubed minus 1/4 x to the 4th plus dot dot dot. And because we're not dealing with coefficients, we actually have constants that we can sort of combine. So imagine if we distribute that, we'd have an infinite pattern, which is how this whole series things works. So we can actually come up with a general equation then. So if I distribute the 2 in, the only constant is 2. And then if I distribute, the only x I see is the this one over here is that minus x with that. So minus x. And then x squared. X squared, we have a minus 1/2 x squared and a plus x squared. So minus, sorry, 2 times, let me highlight that. So we have that 2 there, so we kind of think about distributing that in. Distribute that in. All my little term by terms. So that would be minus x squared minus x squared, so that's minus 2x squared squared. And let's do one more. So my cubed, if I distribute that in, I get what, 1/3 x cubed minus, so plus 2/3 x cubed. So 1/3 plus 2/3 is just 1, so plus x cubed. Oh, we got the x to the 4th in there. So 1/2, 2 times 1/8 is 1/4, so 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2 x to the 4th. Okay, dot dot dot. So there's our lovely equation at the end.